Welcome. I'm your host, Jesse Swoyer, nationally recognized inclusive fitness trainer, Silver Sneaker Flex instructor. Find out more about me, visit my website at www.jesseswoyer.com. And today I'm going to bring you SilverSneakers Enerchi stroking the bird's tail, which is more of the most difficult, or I'd say is the most difficult exercise that I have attempted to do in terms of those 14 formats that are learned. So I'm going to try to walk you through them without making any mistakes. Now, I can't guarantee you that because I'm probably going to make a few mistakes along the way, but I'm going to try to break it down as well so that you can get and improve a little better as you do this exercise with your instructor, on your own, or do those videos with me, and hopefully you become better than I am at doing this as well and can teach it to some capacity as well. Instructors, older adults, and those seniors out there, is going to help with your balance, and it's going to help greater stability and mobility because you have to disassociate the upper and the lower body, and you have to add that breath along the way. So in order to get to this position in that stroking the bird's tail, you're typically coming off waving the hands like clouds, right? You're waving your hands like clouds, and then you're kind of just shifting into a position, right? As you're emptying out and you're getting into a crescent moon rotation, left over right, right? Wave hands like clouds, shift. L stance means your right foot is pointed, left foot's pointed this way, and then you're just shifting and circling in basically that crescent moon rotation type of motion. It's just you're not taking it as wide or as far. And typically you can do 2 or you can do 3. It just depends on your instructor. As I'm kind of just shifting my weight, and as I get to this position, I'm going to turn. That left hand stays in that crescent moon rotation, or that right hand stays in that crescent moon rotation, and then I pop up that right hand, and now I'm just going to push back through on that left hand's pushing that right, and then I'm going to shake out a towel, shift my weight to my left, shake out that towel, shift, and then I'm going to circle through. Empty out into your crescent moon rotation. L stance, left hand goes out, right hand pushes down through that knee, circle back around. It's almost like, part in the wild horse's mane. The only difference is, as you get to that wild horse's mane here, you hold that position, you turn, almost like you're hugging, lift up that right hand, push through, reach, shake that towel, reach, shake that towel. And then on that third one, you're reaching and you're turning back into that crescent moon rotation, empty out, L stance, right? You're almost brushing that knee and you're just circling through. And I'm gonna do it 3 times through. Hold that position, right, with that right hand. You circle back around, you pop up your left, push that left into right, shake that towel off, shake that towel off. And then on that third one, you circle back, empty out, L stance. And then on that third one again, turn, pop, push through, reach, shake, reach, shake, reach, circle through, L stance, part that wild horse's mane, part that wild horse's mane, part that wild horse's mane, hold, right, come back, rotate, left comes up, pushes that right through, shake it off, circle, and here we go. Remember, we'll do 3. And we'll do 3 here. Reach, Third one coming. Part that wild horse's mane. And there you go. Stroking the bird's tail. A little difficult, but you can do it. Peace, my friends. Keep coming back for more sessions just like this, and subscribe.